put your hand on your tip and start stroking it at a medium pace. Oh no! Really good start though. Chad, really good start. Okay, guys, that's a good sign. You know what that means? That means there's blood in the water. Chad, listen, I'm like a shark. Ow! That means there's blood in the water. If I already got a black ice on my first epic, that means we're on a hot streak. Just give me Jaeger black ice. The things I would do for Jaeger black ice, chat. I'm not doing a Johnson pack until we get into the alphas. Unless I could put my tip on it right now. Fuck it. I'm putting my cock on it. I don't care. I'm putting my cock right on it. Ladies and gentlemen, my flaccid penis is on the tip of my controller right now. Fuck! That is shit, y'all. That is shit. It's okay. It's okay. Well, we have more Johnson packs coming. J-Rod, I think over to tier 1. J-Rod, bend me over a table and cream pie inside of me. Ryan with the tier 1. W Ryan. A lot of greens. It's okay, because chat, listen. Delta pack error. An error occurred while retrieving a duplicate reward. You will still receive renown. What? They didn't give me a pack? What the fuck does that mean? Val, thank you for the prime. Alright, we're cooling down a little bit. It's not. Wait! We're heating back up. Guys, I know it's a duplicate, but that's 2 black ices. I don't know, I can feel it. Chat, Bernard pack, yes or no? Bernard pack, yes or no? What is this? Chat, I don't know, it's off to a shaky start, I don't know, chat, I don't know.